Welcome back to Team Axle Stands. Today we'll be looking at brightening up this valve cover. So to get the valve cover off, there's 4 bolts holding on the oil pack cover. They're 10s. Actually, I think they're all 10s. So 10s there, 10s there, and a couple of 10s on the back here. The ground strap 10. So we'll go and get all those removed. So first thing, I'm going to remove all of the bits and pieces off it, and then start rubbing it down with some sandpaper. I don't think I'm going to bother paint stripping it. I'll just roughen up the paint enough to get it to stick. So let's get and do that. Alrighty, so I've sanded back most of it. Just a couple of spots left. Helping out. So just give it a wipe down now, and then we'll hang it. So I've put tape in all of the holes. I've wiped it down, put bolts in each of the holes where I don't want paint to get, and now I'm just going to give it a warm up with a heat gun, and try and get it a little bit warm. I'm going to put some lip balm on the Honda logo, just off it so it doesn't get paint on it. So I don't know what the hell I did, but somehow I lost all of the filming I did with spray painting. Basically I used this stuff. I heated up the can, heated up the rocker cover, and then sprayed it in a crisscross pattern, and effectively used the whole can of paint on the cover. Yeah, and then just made sure I used the heat gun on it for a fair while afterwards as well, just to try and get it to cure. This stuff actually says that you're supposed to put it in the oven for an hour afterwards. I didn't do that. I figure running on the engine, it'll probably be warm enough to cure the paint properly, so that's how I left it. Let's have a look at how it looks. So this is it after it's painted. It's still just drying, but started to take some of the masking tape off. It's come up alright. So I actually remembered I've got these, which are the coil pack covers, and I've also got a rocker cover gasket, so I'll chuck these on before I put it back in the car. Just doing up the final bolts now. And this is the final result. A couple of days in, I've given it a quick cut and polish as well, just to make it some of the rough bits to shine it up. Yeah, so simple way to brighten up your engine bay, especially if you use canary yellow or whatever the hell it is. If you did like the video, give it a like, give it a subscribe, ding the bell, whatever the hell you have to do these days, I don't know, just do it all. Cheers.